I have some amazing news for you, Harriet. You have basically just won our jackpot £25,000 prize. Congratulations! How did that feel when you won? Like, what was it like winning?
I thought I was kind of maybe still asleep. I was just like, did I hear that right? Did you actually say what I thought you just said? But once it actually sunk in, it was just like, hell. This is amazing.
What would you say to anybody thinking of joining DAYMADE?
Why not? You know, just in the past couple of weeks, I actually won a £25 voucher 2 weeks ago, and I won a £5 one yesterday. And you can't choose as well, don't you, for every entry? So you know, you're saving the planet, and you get a nice little prize out of it.
Well, yes. I mean, you heard it here first. Why not?
Exactly.
You could be the next £25,000 winner.